We are Group U-Turn from Bangladesh, and we would like to present our business model on the lathe industry of Bangladesh. The industry of Bangladesh was established around 1960s when Bangladesh was still a part of Pakistan. Located mainly in the old part of Dhaka with approximately 100,000 workers. Their main customers are small medium enterprises. Approximately 1 million SMEs are situated in Bangladesh. There are around 100,000 lathe workshops around Dhaka city, and they supply their machineries to the huge number of SMEs nationwide. The workers are owners, do not have any specialized degree, but still they are capable of making almost zero defect machineries. The clients are basically the small and medium enterprises in Bangladesh. They need various types of customized machineries for their business. We have segmented our clients into two categories, and they are the potential ones who are currently in business. We will match the management skill with their expertise and cheap labor supply. We will work as an arbitrator between our clients and the workshop owners. Here you can see the Alex Osterwald's business model canvas, which is clearly showing the details of our business. The problem was this sector is full of potential, but still it is hobbling due to the lack of proper management skills. Our solution is to add proper management skills and technical know-how in this sector. Our USP is to match the skills with the experts on this sector to make it a sustainable and profitable business. Our advantage is that no other company will be able to copy our model. The channel of our business will be simple. Clients will post their orders to us and we will deliver the machines to them on our own. Our customers will be of two types. The first one is the regular clients who will procure machines on regular basis, and foreign business giants can associate with us. They can outsource their brand name via our own built machineries. The cost structure and revenue stream is very simple. So here, as you can see, on the right are the clients and on the left is the lathe factory. And in the middle is the middleman, that is basically us. The prospective clients will come to us and their order of product and specification of quality, which we will then take to the workshop owners for placing the order and signing the contract and confirming the costing and the time limit to manufacture the machine. Let's look the other way around. Until now, we gave you a brief example of what we plan on doing. Our business model will consist of a door-to-door promotional approach. We will first find potential buyers and go to them with our catalog. Even if they are not interested to buy a machine now, we will still approach them with our wide range of machinery. We will let them know that a business such as this exists in the market. The buyers who are interested to purchase a machinery will then place an order to us. They can have the product with whichever specification or alteration they want. We will then negotiate the price and set the due date according to the benefits of the suppliers, buyers and middlemen. In this stage, we are going to place the buyer's order to the suppliers, explaining the requirement of the buyers and the specification of the quality of the product, giving them a deadline for delivering the product and ensuring the suppliers adequate wage for workers. When the product is ready to be delivered, we will let the buyers know that we are delivering the product with our own responsibility. Then we will inform the buyers about the delivery details of the product. After the suppliers have finished their production, they will let us know that the product is ready to be delivered. The representatives from our company will go and check the quality of the finished product to ensure the requirements of the buyers have been met. When the final finished product is delivered to the client, we will take the money and pay the suppliers according to the contract. The validation of our model. Demand of the SME. Bangladesh is a developing nation. There is a huge amount of demand of machinery. Quality assurance. Our labor and expertise are capable enough in producing defect-free, better quality products than India and Vietnam. Current buyers. Current buyers are the buyers who are procuring machineries in regular basis. Potential buyers. Potential buyers are basically the business giants with whom we will try to be associated with. Feasibility. Our model is a feasible model which will be productive and profitable. Now we will present the SWOT analysis of our model. Strength. low cost labor, efficiency, machine variety, serviceability, association. Weakness, lack of promotional activity. Local SMEs prefer more foreign machineries. Threat, influence of the neighboring country like India and Vietnam. Opportunity, a huge domestic market, demand of sophisticated machineries from outside, a market with potential. While making a contract with the suppliers, we are going to make sure that the workers in the workshop are working safely using necessary safety gadgets such as helmets, iron safety gear, hand gloves, etc. Every workshop must have fire extinguisher and emergency fire exit. Environmental issues. No polluted smoke emission, reduced chemical waste, product recycling is available. In order to strengthen the establishment of our business, we had an extensive discussion with the government official and the union of the workshop owners about our plan. We have also spoken to our faculty in order to check the validation of the project. The promotional activities for our business model. We will make door-to-door marketing. We will make sure the positive word of mouth spreads. We will highlight our product effectiveness and longevity to the clients. Loans can be provided to the SMEs in order to encourage them to avail our service.